Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. This video is regarding recounting and re-verification of TS Inter answer scripts. For Inter first year and second year candidates, there is a provision for recounting and supply of scanned copy cum re-verification of valued answer scripts. So students can apply for whichever they want to. They will mainly get two options. One is recounting, another one is re-verification, which means revaluation also. So the candidates have to pay online an amount of rupees 100 per paper for recounting and rupees 800 per paper for scanned copy cum re-verification of answer book through BIE website, that is tgbie.cgg.gov.in student online services. The requisite fee for recounting or scanned copy cum re-verification can be paid from 13th to 20th April. The online service will be stopped after the due date and no further extension of services will be available under no circumstance. Manual submission after due date will be entertained. The fee paid towards recounting or scanned copy cum re-verification will not be refunded also. The candidate has to select the particular subject in which he or she wants to apply for recounting or scanned copy cum re-verification and has to furnish his complete address, email ID and phone number. The candidates must apply only for their own answer book, and obtaining scanned copy of other candidates is an offense, means it is a crime and you must not do it. The intermediate public advanced supplementary examinations theory will be held from 13 May in two sessions, and also practical examinations will be held from 22nd May in two sessions. Those who have failed can apply for supplementary exam between 13 to 20th April at their respective junior colleges. So just remember students, for re-verification and recounting you have to apply online, and for supplementary or improvement exam you need to apply only through your college. Already I have given supplementary exam timetable in the previous video. The same is for improvement. Now who should apply for recounting? If a student finds that there is a large difference between expected marks and actual marks, like you are expecting 10 marks, 20 marks or 30 marks more, and you are close to pass marks or grade boundary, and you are 100% sure that you deserve more marks and you suspect calculation errors, in such a case only you must apply for recounting. So in recounting, the examiners will just check inside marks and outside marks on the OMR are same or not. That's it.